If you have a Firestick, you're probably familiar with the Downloader app. It's a great tool to install apps that aren't available on the Amazon App Store. If you haven't discovered it yet, you're missing out. Let me show you how to get started. Step 1. Install the Downloader app. To begin, go to the Amazon App Store, search for Downloader, and install it. Once installed, open the app and allow it to save files on your device to avoid errors. Step 2. Use the Downloader code. To access a massive list of apps, open Downloader and enter the code 28907. This will take you to a page with over 400 apps, including categories for movies, TV shows, live TV, and more. Step 3. Save the page for easy access. Add the page to your favorites for quick access later. Just press the Options button and select Add Current Page to Favorites. Step 4. Install apps. Browse through the categories, select an app, and click the Download button to install it. Once the app is installed, click Done, then delete the installation file to free up space. You can view the page in full screen mode by pressing the Options button twice. That's it. Enjoy the extra apps on your Firestick, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips.